So now we are entering into kitchen. It's a Ramya's modular. It's a Ramya's modular kitchen and home interiors homes kitchen. It's looking so nice. So I just want to talk about the slide. As I open this door, no, it's so flexible. It is not so tight or it's not stucking anywhere. It's going smoothly. We can close it. It was covered area. It's our kitchen, so it's looking so nice. And then how about the chimney?
This chimney is spectacular, madam. This is censored.
Okay.
90 centimeter length chimney.
Okay.
So you can just do a left to right. It will on.
Oh.
You can try, madam.
Can I do?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
It's like magic, right?
Yes, really.
So we increase the suction power. If we do another time, it will go to 2, and then again it will
Oh.
go to 3.
Yeah,
Now it is
it's
on
2.
2. So now it is on 3. So
Oh.
from right to left, it will just,
It will off, huh?
yeah, 2 times we need to do.
1.
Yeah.
Oh. So nice. This is
Hob. This is how hob, man.
hob. Okay. This is for a.
This is standard fixed in the granite.
Okay, it was fixed.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. And then I want to talk about this lamination. Tell me about this lamination.
This laminate is especially very much premium, madam. So this flower and butterfly laminates, it is all flowing all over the kitchen, right?
Yes, yes.
So this laminate is specifically customized for us. So all the merino laminates we have talked, that is separate topic, and this is separate. This is very much premium, very costly, expensive.
Okay.
So as you can see, this is very unique, right?
And this is washable also, right?
Yes,
You can
yes.
Clean it.
Maintenance is very easy.
Okay. If as soon I enter inside the kitchen, no, this butterfly is coming here and there. I felt like that. It's like 3D.
Yes.
It's like 3D feeling. Yes. And then we can go to the yes. And then what is this?
Tandem box. This is tandem box, madam. So SS is very ordinary.
Okay.
So like these kind of oil pullouts we are having. This is SS, stainless steel.
Okay.
So here we can keep bottles and everything.
Yes.
But this one is actually tandem box.
Okay.
This is also premium.
Okay. What wood is this?
This is also plywood waterproof material, carcass this is.
Okay.
So in the tandem box we are using that.
Okay.
So we can keep plates.
We can keep this
Vessels
kind
and
of
everything,
bowls
yes.
And these kind of vessels, and then we'll call it as sombu, and we can keep it inside.
Yes.
And this is also.
So this is also
the
tandem
same.
box. Yes.
So we can keep our grinders
Yes.
or mixies or mixie jars, the big kind of vessels.
vessels and everything.
Everything we can keep it inside.
Yes.
Yes. And as you said, this is oil pull out.
Yes, madam.
We can keep the oil
So
cans
this is all
here.
the soft close. So when
All-
you're closing,
everything
yes,
is
you
a
can just
soft
push
close.
like this.
Oh, okay. And this is
Cutlery.
cutlery, yes.
Here we can. So we are standing
We
in.
don't need to explain actually because everything is here.
Yes.
We have a spoons, ladles, then the big spoons. Everything is
Knives,
here. Knives,
lighter.
what to say, blender.
Yes.
Everything is here. Filter everything. And this is
Cup and saucer.
cup and saucer set, and one side is a cup and saucer and one side is a small plate, sir. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is called the cup and saucer. Cups here and the plate saucers here.
Yes.
This is
This is just a plain basket.
plain basket. We can keep plates like tawas, everything we can
Yeah.
keep it inside. And this is the provision for
Cylinder.
cylinder. Yes. So we can keep the cylinder inside and we can close the door.
Yes.
And this is the space for the air, no, for the
Yes, for the
cylinder.
ventilation. Yes,
Ventilation
exactly.
air. That is also decorated so nicely with the steel.
Yes, ma'am.
This material is steel, right?
yes,
So that is also decorated by steel. The handles, it's
Yes,
a
madam.
huge handles to hold
Yes.
griply and so nicely, so it is so comfy to open, so comfortable to open. And this side, so you have kept the provision for the
This
microwave
one
oven.
முடிச்சிடலாம், madam.
Killa adu mudichilama. Okay. And this is for the rice drum.
Yes.
Yeah, or else we can keep some other provisions,
Yeah.
everything inside. We can store it inside. And
This is also plain basket.
Plain
We can just clean here, clean there,
Wash,
wash there,
yes.
and then we can just keep your tumblers and everything.
yeah, we can keep the tumblers, small tiffin boxes, everything inside. And this is the
For
plates.
So as well as plates also you can wash and then you can
Yes, yes. And this is, oh, this is attached.
Yes.
Yeah,
Attached to dustbin.
so nice. So if you close, It will close. If you open, you can just throw it to the duster, trash inside the dustbin.
Yes.
So the dustbin was attached with this wood.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so it is so nice. It was so nicely done. And here also you have kept the ventilator.
Yeah, so that the smell will not contain inside and it will
Yes,
become
yes.
toxic, right?
So nice. And this is the
So this place is for storage.
storage.
And then we have this specific place where we customize it
Oh.
specifically for the RO plant.
Oh yeah. So in my home also the RO plant is kept visible outside only. But
Yeah.
you have very well nicely designed
Yeah.
and you have just hide the RO.
So even
but
if-
you have a provision here, right?
Yes, madam. Yes.
To fill water.
So we can keep all here
yes.
and then we can just, we don't have to open every time.
Yes, we don't want to open this and we can fill the water. You can just touch it from through this hole, the water will come out.
Yes.
So nice. And this is also very nice.
Yes.
This is the pull out, right?
Yes, madam. We have also fixed spotlights inside.
Yeah.
So
This
that will look
mirror
very
is so nice. It looks so yummy, it's so colorful, it is so nice. Here is also a provision.
Yes, madam.
Yes. So to keep the cooking, instant cooking, everything, what like oil, custard, mustard,
Spice,
everything,
every
yeah,
spice
spice,
things we can
everything we can store it here. So you have
Here in the
placed
microwave.
a ladle here. Spatula, you can place the spatula here. Super. Oh, this is also a pull-out cupboard, yes?
So spotlights are there inside.
Yes, you have spotted some lights here. This is looking and it's giving a yummy taste. While I see this also, it's looking and
Kitchen
giving.
themed.
Yes, kitchen theme, you are right. So you have a space here also to keep something, no?
Yeah, small things.
Small things, everything. And you have kept the microwave oven little bit up.
Yes, madam. So that this space can be utilized also. So if you keep the microwave oven in the granite, that place is not usable for anything else
Yes.
other than microwave.
Yes.
So in this side, we place the microwave.
Okay. So this side, if you are keeping your microwave oven down, you will not use this space. But if you keep the microwave a little bit up, you can use this space,
Space
no?
also, yeah.
It's nice actually. So we can cook it here. You can keep it down. You can mix or you can do something, and again you can keep. You can use this place. So very nice. And then you have one more storage here.
Yes, madam.
Yes. We can
also
keep
for
our
spice.
spices, and then you have a loft over it, and it was also nicely decorated with the laminated wood.
Yes.
Laminated?
So to talk about the loft,
Uh,
here in this place only,
Okay.
as you can see,
uh,
we have loft in the RCC,
Okay.
which we call as cement concrete.
oh, yeah.
So other than that, all the loft is continued with the plywood only. Only in this direction we are having RCC loft shutters.
Okay.
So this is shutters, but these lofts are boxes.
Oh,
So it is having all the top,
it
bottom.
was made by wood alone.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay. You only, your Ramya Modelers Kitchen and Interiors only did this woodwork, full and full loft. Okay. And then this place is for cylinder. It was an ideal place and it was a different idea and a beautiful idea to keep the granite here for the grinder. And this is a mixie?
Yeah,
Or what
like
is this?
blender, fruit.
Oh, okay. It's a fruit juicer. Okay. And then you have kept a provision here also. Okay. So we can keep groceries, or we can keep fruits, or whatever we want, we can keep it. And here also you have given a provision. Oh, it's a pull-out.
Yes, madam.
Oh. So nice, so nice. And here also the light, orange,
Yes.
strawberry.
It's also kitchen themed.
Okay.
So with the lights and everything.
Especially this rack is for snacks, I believe, because you have biscuits, you have mixture, everything you have. So this is especially for the snacks, and you have located a fridge in a proper place.
Yes.
Then you have separated a place here, and you had done a square like rectangle space here. For this also, interior also, you have done a lamination,
This
right?
lamination we have provided here also.
Okay.
And the PowerPoint is also in the back
Inside
side of
the-
the fridge.
oh.
There is a secret place here, madam.
Yes. Yeah, here.
Yeah, there is a secret place here.
Okay.
So that small space also we have used the creative idea to not waste it.
Oh.
So here we have like this. in which we kept the broomstick.
Oh my God! See, in every home, the broomstick will be in the balcony or in the kitchen, in a side of a kitchen. But here, Ramya's modular kitchen and interiors is amazing. They have kept a proper and separate place for the broomstick also. It's really a great idea. Whose idea is this?
This is definitely our MD Govindan sir's idea. So not to waste even a single square feet area of the kitchen.
Okay.
So in the compact kitchen also, he has used all the corners and edges to do the storage, as you can see.
Okay, it was very nice. It's a treat for my eyes to see Govindan sir's home. And this window is also so nice, the sticker.
Yeah, here also we have placed these stickers.
Oh, okay.
So with the flowers matching
Yes.
the butterfly and everything.
Oh, so nice. This was complimenting because the color, no? With this, it's going with this color. Yes, it's uniform. Before that, I have to talk about the false ceiling. We'll just see the false ceiling. Here also they have utilized the space. They have created a new design. They have kept the different colors with the different lights. Everything it was done. So tell me about this false ceiling.
Yeah, definitely, madam. So in this we are using different colors. So there is triple way for each lights. There are triple way. One is only the other outer side of the color is pink, and then the outside color and the inside white light only will be there, and then the other one is only white light will be there.
Okay.
So different feeling when you will have different moods. Like that we are having different lights to enhance your mood. If you want dim, you can only just have the pink lights. So like that.
Okay. So they have posted they have kept the photos also. It is also very well planned and they have kept the photos nicely. So everything, all the things in the hall, in the kitchen or in the bedroom, everything was very well, very nicely planned and they have worked it out very nicely. I think you thoroughly enjoyed this video. Please, please, please subscribe our channel. It's Ramya's Modular Kitchen and Interiors. Thank you.